Hey, what's going on, y'all? Y'all tune in for another one, LSJ Ride 254. Y'all know, finna get ready to bend some corners in the C10. Gotta grab a couple things out the truck first. So let me tell you what we're about to get into. Basically, man, we've been playing with the fuel trims as to get a desired outcome, aka tuning. I don't recommend you do this unless you got patience and more patience. Shout out to my guy Andy LSX. If you need tuning, holler at him. He'll get you right real quick without all the headache and all that stuff. So let's get it. All right, so hopping in the C10, a little dusty, a little dirty. Got the if you know, you know. That's all I'm gonna say. If you know, you know. And yeah. So check engine is failed, so as we can tune just the math or just the VE table, aka the speed density, aka if the math was ever to fail, be in good hands. So we'll turn a couple corners and get it in. So y'all remember from the last time when we tried to take off, it was very, very, very bogged down. All that stuff. Copyright and all that shit, but
hey, put a finger in the sky if you want. Hey, put your fingers in the sky if you want. Hey, put a finger in the sky if you want. Hey, put your fingers in the sky if you want. Hey, put a finger in the sky if you want. Hey, put your fingers in the sky if you want. Hey, put a finger in the sky if you want. Hey, put your fingers in the sky if you want. Sometimes you worry about the things you just drive. Whenever you in pain, I see it come alive. I finally recognize the feelings just inside. I told my teacher, man, it's just some people talk about that love at first sight. To keep it real, I don't know whether I believe it's true. But if it is, then tell me if I'm wrong or right. I fell in love with you, I love you. I catch your eyes with you.
alright, so don't have to worry about no big bumps really. Drive by Cortez to see if they got a new owner yet. Like, part of me want to lower the truck, but I mean, honestly, I like it like this. So, I don't know. Still for sale. The good thing with the not like super big rims is that, like, if you do hit a bump, you ain't got too much worry about nothing. We back at it, y'all. The good, the bad, and the ugly. This time, luckily, I don't think it was too bad. So I've been riding around town, tuning in. Everything was going good. I was like, well, let me hit my strip. You know what I'm saying? This is a strip I come out. I tune the colors, all the greats. All the greats have been out here. Box Chevys, Cutlasses. It was a C10 time. But nope. Not yet. Not yet. So, like I was saying, the dry shaft, the dry shaft popped out. One of the caps is still there. The other one's MIA. And that's tight as hell, so I'm trying to figure out what the hell went wrong. Like I said, luckily no damage up there. So that's one good part. Well, shit, you gotta get it home. Time to do what it do. How the hell did that? Think about a bitch. The only thing I don't know is freaking. I know we need a U-joint. That I know for sure, but in order to baby it and get it home, shit, we're gonna need some tools. We need some tools to take out the straps and another U-joint, just so we can use the caps, so we can put it on there and get it where it need to be. So let's see. She got her to the house. That's definitely something that we're gonna have to look deeper into before we venture off, because that's some shit. That's something we ain't had happen on like Nam Bill, where the U-joint just came out the shit like that. So just a reminder to shit, keep your tools with you, shit, maybe even some extra parts. You know what I mean? So what we ended up doing was going and buying the U-joint, taking those caps. Was my shit broke? Hell yeah. I done dropped that bit. Shit. So now it's got this funny look on it. But anyway, it's just the cover, not the actual phone, but yeah, so she got a U-joint. She took the caps out that hole, put it on the U-joint that was on the dry shaft, and then put it on that bitch.